Hey guys, today I want to do a Dollar Tree DIY. I really am needing some like spring decor and just something like really pretty for my entryway. I have two floral arrangements that I've actually shared a photo of in a past video, but it wasn't a tutorial of any sort. I think it was in my Dollar Tree favorites. And so I had arranged some Dollar Tree floral into these vases, and they were part of my Dollar Tree favorites for the month of April. Well, I actually have another idea that I want to share with you, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about that. There's going to be a couple of little ideas, but one of the first things is, if you did watch that video, I asked if you wanted me to go ahead and share with you the footage of me putting together this floral arrangement right here. I actually deleted that footage. It was so long ago that I thought I still had it, so I deleted it. So I'm not actually going to do the floral arrangement all over again, but I will verbally walk you through how I put this together. And then I'm going to do something similar with some of the same little leftover floral pieces that I have left for a DIY. And then we're going to do a cute little bottle DIY as well. Take a look at this floral arrangement. So let's start off with this vase right here. You may recognize the shape of it because I got this from the Dollar Tree. This was actually in another DIY, I think somewhere around Christmas time of last year. And basically I just took some twine and hot glued it and wrapped it around the vase. So just like the vase, the rest of this is Dollar Tree as well. Every single bit of it. And I still have seen a lot of the same floral at the Dollar Tree now, even though I suspect that pretty soon they are going to start really putting out a lot of summertime. I'm starting to see sunflowers and things like that, but I am still seeing some of these really soft, beautiful springtimey flowers, but they're not just for spring. If you have like a shabby chic, feel to your design, then these flowers are just perfect for that. So what you want to do when arranging floral is you want to start with your main floral piece first, which is always going to be the flowers that you have the most of. So you put those in first, then you start with the next coordinating color. So for me, the first ones were these big flowers. I don't know if these are peonies or what these are. And then the next things I put in were these white little roses with the light pink tips. And then I applied the dark pink roses, and then I added the final touch, which are these little wispy purple flowers and then the purple berries. And the very last thing were the baby's breath. I know that's not much of a walkthrough, but I am letting you know that these were purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I still do see a lot of the same floral there today. So if you like this DIY and you want to copy it and do it for your own home, that hopefully they still have this floral arrangement. If you really love it and you don't find it at Dollar Tree, you can also go to your local craft store and try to replicate it from their flowers. It is with a Dollar Tree picture frame. You are going to need a hot glue gun and some scissors and maybe like a wire cutting tool as well. This is a picture frame from the Dollar Tree. It's 4x6, but it was black. And I did spray paint this with like this mint green spray paint that I have from Walmart, and I've used it for so many DIYs. Because I actually started this project a couple of months ago and then I didn't have enough time to complete it. It was gonna be an Easter picture frame. So I don't actually have footage of that, but it's rather simple. Just set outside some newspaper and spray paint your Dollar Tree picture frame with the spray paint color of your choice. The next thing I'm going to do is cut out and use just white printer paper. Of course, you can use any scrapbook that you want here as your backdrop, but I really do want to keep it rather simple, but again, apply any background that you want. The next step is we are going to feed the printer paper or your scrapbook paper in first. You do not want to apply the glass first. And then usually I always keep the photo in case I need it like for the next project. And then I put in the glass because we do want something solid and sturdy in the back, and then the back of the picture frame. So now I am ready to go, and I'm going to close this up. I actually just want to do a picture frame with some floral glue to it. That's really that simple. So I want to trim off the stem because obviously, I can't feed the stem through it. Pull the stem out of the flower petal. I don't know how many I'm going to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull all of them off. Next thing we do want to do is get rid of this. It's going to just poke out, and we want this to be as flat on the picture frame as much as we can. So this is actually very soft material, so you could probably use scissors here, but you just kind of want to snip it right off. I've got my hot glue gun ready, so I'm just going to take some hot glue to the back. When you are arranging the smaller flowers, use them underneath the bigger flowers to sort of fluff up their petals, so it kind of gives them some stability. So I am just going around hot gluing underneath the bigger petals, so it kind of keeps them up. So I definitely think to give this more of a shabby chic feel, we have to add the cute little baby's breath. So let's see, I'm going to pull some of these off, and I'm going to go more for the little pink ones than I am for the white ones. I'm just adding some hot glue to the bottom parts of the flower, the little stem, because eventually it will grab onto something, whether it's the flower underneath or the white printer paper. To give you other options for this as well, you could add these gorgeous little birds. These are also from the Dollar Tree as well. You would have to get rid of the wire that's attached, but it comes off very easy. And you can gently set him like on the corner, like this. Or, I don't think that he would look that cute away from the floral. I think he would just benefit more with being attached to the inside of the picture frame, like this. He could be, I think he looks really cute right here. Or he could go like this way. In case that you love birds, this is a really cute option as well. The next DIY is going to be this cute little bottle. I also got this at the Dollar Tree. They have a ton of amazing glassware to choose from to do DIYs with. So I just want to tie this into our vase with the twine and our little vintage shabby chic picture frame. So I am going to grab some twine and then use whatever leftover floral I have that matches our vase and our picture frame. First thing I want to do is take my twine, and it's going to be really simple. We're just going to wrap it around the neck of the bottle. And we need a little hot glue so that the starting part of our twine sticks and doesn't move as we wrap it around the bottle. I'm going to wrap it around twice. And I think that's about it. I do want there to be a little bit of a neck left to the last strand so it stays in place and doesn't unravel. So there we go. And now we are going to add our floral. So as always, the best method is to put the biggest flower down first. And you want to map out what you want it to look like before you actually hot glue it down. And just like the picture frame, be sure that you stand it up so that you can see what it will look like. As you can see, the petals are sort of drooping. So I am probably going to have to hot glue some of them against the bottle like this. So let's go ahead and put those down first. gonna do the same thing with this one. So what I'm gonna do is add the hot glue to the bottle, and then we'll press the petals to it. Okay. Okay, that looks great. Now what I want to do is add some baby's breath. I think this really is the key to making it look extra luxe and extra shabby chic. Is how simple and cheap it is to make gorgeous DIY from the Dollar Tree. And these were leftover florals from this arrangement right here. So I feel like I really stretched the dollar because it was just leftover. What was I gonna do with it? Well, I turned it into really beautiful pieces that are going to accent and make this floral look even more beautiful. So this was just simply $1 and not even some change. So I am going to transfer these over to my entryway table and I'll take you right along with me. But that is my DIY for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will list all the materials down in the description box below, but really it's all gonna say Dollar Tree. Literally, except for the spray paint, which I got at Walmart. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.